Hello to all the viewers of this lecture. This is Siddharth Samant, Management Trainee, Keonjhar OA. In this lecture we will discuss about the procedure of L3 configuration for enodeB in MAAN EMS. In this lecture, the configuration process will be covered in 3 steps. In the step 1 we will see the IP VLAN planning of enodeB. Step 2 will cover the L3 configuration for OEM, that means for CEF and RAC cards. And at the last step 3 will be on L3 configuration for S1AP, which means configuration for S1C and S1U. So, let's start with the step 1. IP VLAN planning will be done by the as shown in the screen. Generally, the IP VLAN planning is being done by the Tejas team and will be provided to the concerned trans team. Here, we are only concerned with the VLANs and IP gateways of CEF, RAC, S1C and S1U, and as an example we will do the configuration of telecom colony site. So, let's note down all the VLANs and IP gateways of CEF, RAC, S1C and S1U for the site telecom colony. Now, let's discuss the step 2 of this lecture. That is L3 configuration for OEM. For this we need to log in into Tejas MAAN EMS and we need to go to the configuration tab and then L3 layer and after that manage L3 sites. Here you will find the pre-configured services for the OEM, S1C and S1U. In this section we will only talk about the OEM configuration. That means configuration of CEF and RAC. So now recall the IP VLAN setting of the telephone colony site and note down the VLAN and gateway IP details of CEF and RAC. Now let's do the L3 configuration of OEM by pressing the Add ACS Protocols button. After that we need to select the MAAN node where L3 configuration is required. In the present case we are doing it for Keonjhar node. At this place we will press Add Attachment Circuit. This will give you a new tab like this, where we will give the L3 interface name as per the convention, then select the interface type as IRB. After entering the VLAN, gateway IP and subnet mask, we save the configuration. Now we will go the newly created attachment circuit and add the physical port by clicking on the Add Bridge domain. This will give us new tab like this. Here we will select the desired physical port in the syspin and select the COS value as per convention and press Add to confirm the setting. For RAC L3 configuration, similar process is followed. We first create the attachment circuit by pressing the Add Attachment button and do the similar things as we did at the time of CEF configuration. After that physical port will be added to this circuit by clicking on Add Bridge domain. After adding both the attachment circuits we press the Add button to confirm the configuration. After completion of the OEM setting, we need to activate it. For activation of the circuits we need to select the Activate Site button. This will lead to the new window, where first we have to search for the desired node and circuit and press Activate Sites. It has to be carried out for both the circuits of CEF and RAC in OEM services to make this setting serviceable. Now, let's discuss the step 3 of this lecture. That is L3 configuration for S1AP. Now let's again navigate to the Manage L3 Sites section. Here you will find the pre-configured services for the S1C and S1U. In this section we will only demonstrate about the S1AP configuration. That means configuration of S1C and S1U. So now recall the IP VLAN setting of the telephone colony site and note down the VLAN and gateway IP details of S1C and S1U. We will follow the same procedure as discussed in Step 2 for the creation of attachment circuit and addition of bridge domain. The whole procedure is being shown here. Please follow the video. After completion of the S1AP setting, we need to activate it. For activation of the circuits, we need to select the Activate Site button. This will lead to the new window, where first we have to search for the desired node and circuit and press Activate Sites. It has to be carried out for both the circuits of S1C and S1U services to make this setting serviceable. This is all for this lecture. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks.